A bonus clip from 90 Day Fiancé. Before the 90 days shows Jasmine Pineda making Gino Palazzolo try out sauce, a delicacy that contains pig's feet. 90 Day Fiancé star Jasmine Pineda has upset fans after a video of her forcing Gino Palazzolo to eat pig's feet was posted on Instagram. 34-year-old Jasmine was full of red flags when she launched her reality TV career on 90 Day Fiancé, before the 90 Days Season 5. Jasmine was insecure and tracked gullible 51-year-old Gino's every move even when they were in a long-distance relationship. Jasmine has had many meltdowns on the show since then, including one over the blue and red walls of Gino's house which his ex-wife had chosen. But fans soon realized that Gino's innocence was also an act when he shared Jasmine's private photos with an ex. Jasmine gained sympathy for being betrayed by Gino. The American lit teacher was also fired from her job after Gino's ex allegedly forwarded the photos to her place of employment. It was hard for Jasmine to come to terms with Gino's disgusting antics, especially after she'd opened up to him about the disastrous relationships in her past. Jasmine realized she never knew who the real Gino was. But she also happened to forgive Gino eventually and gave him another chance. Fans were disappointed to see Jasmine and Gino getting back together. However, some wondered if Jasmine would use other tactics to manipulate Gino after showing him forgiveness. In a bonus clip from 90 Day Fiancé, before the 90 Days episode 11, uploaded on the 90 Day Fiancé Instagram, Jasmine and Gino go sightseeing around Jasmine's hometown in Chiriquí, western Panama before heading to her house to meet her mom and sister. There, Jasmine makes Gino buy some sauce, which she says is made using pig's feet. "That's meat, I cannot eat it. But since you were telling me that you love meat, okay, then have some meat," Jasmine tells Gino, the meat eater. Jasmine says Gino should be eating the cute little animal that died for him with his bare hands. "It's not for everyone, I have to admit it, so I'm gonna enjoy seeing Gino try it," Jasmine mentions in her confessional. As Gino hesitates, Jasmine feeds it to him, and him calling it disgusting offends the emotional Jasmine since it's a traditional dish from her country. A fan wrote, "Wow. That was sadistic and abusive as heck. Very not cool of her. I'm not sure I like her anymore after seeing this," in the comments after watching the clip.